Hello, this is Briar Oliver, and this is my CIS 222 Windows Server Project 3. So I'm currently on my Windows server. I just have to log in real quick. Alright. Okay. So in this project, I create a DHCP scope, a DHCP reservation, along with a DNS server, and a DNS server reverse lookup zone, and 2 pointers as well. So now that I'm in my server, I will go to my DHCP, maximize this for you, drag it out so you can see, hit the drop down arrow, go into IPv4. Here is my scope that I created with the address pool, with the IP ranges, my address leases that is now active. Here is my DHCP reservation that I created. Let me get out of the DHCP and I will go into my DNS server that I created. Maximize this. So here's my DNS. And then I have my reverse lookup zone, along with my 2 pointer records that I created with the IP address of 192.168.0.10 and then 192.168.0.120. Now exit out of this. And that is all I have for the Windows Server Project 3.